One of the biggest misconceptions surrounding major changes to building regulations is the belief that projects already in the pipeline automatically continue under the previous rules. Historically, that has often been true. Developers could begin work on one part of a large multi-phase scheme and continue constructing later phases under the earlier standards for many years. The future building standard changes that approach. The transitional arrangements are significantly tighter. Projects cannot simply rely on the fact that planning permission has been granted or that enabling works have started somewhere on the wider development. Instead, the timing of work on individual buildings or plots becomes increasingly important. For many developers, designers and contractors, understanding these transition rules could mean the difference between delivering the original design or returning to the drawing board. Imagine a developer planning a large business park consisting of several office buildings. The first building begins construction within the relevant time frame. The second building is delayed because of planning conditions. The third is held back by utility connections. The fourth waits for market demand. Although these buildings belong to the same wider development, they may not all benefit from the same regulatory position. That creates a very different commercial risk. Late changes to compliance requirements can affect plant selection, electrical infrastructure, roof layouts, coordination, procurement, and project budgets. The earlier project teams understand the program implications, the more options they have available. Perhaps the biggest lesson from the future building standard isn't about heat pumps or solar panels or compliance software. It's about collaboration. Modern buildings are becoming increasingly interconnected. Mechanical systems affect architecture, electrical systems influence structural design, building fabric affects heating performance, digital modeling supports every design decision. The days when individual disciplines work largely in isolation are fading. The most successful projects will be those where architects, engineers, contractors, and sustainability specialists begin solving these challenges together from the earliest concept stages. The future building standard represents another step in the wider transformation of our industry. Designing lower carbon buildings is no longer simply about selecting more efficient equipment. It's about integrating engineering, digital technology, and whole building thinking from the outset. Projects that embrace this approach are likely to be better prepared, not only for today's regulations, but for the evolving expectations around energy performance, operational efficiency, and whole-life sustainability. For engineers, this is more than a compliance challenge. It's an opportunity to deliver buildings that perform better for clients, occupants, and the environment alike. What do you think? If you're already working on projects influenced by the future building standard, what has been your biggest challenge so far? Has it been coordinating larger plant rooms, finding roof space for heat pumps and solar PV, managing electrical infrastructure, or understanding the compliance modeling requirements? Please share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the Sustainable Construction Zone to keep informed about new videos exploring regulations, technologies, and ideas shaping the future of sustainable construction.